Hi everyone, this is Dr. Rujuta, an OBGYN resident and welcome back to yet another vlog. तो मैंने जब ये व्लॉग शूट करना स्टार्ट करा था सुने नहीं थे कुछ भी क्लिप्स तो आई रियलाइज दैट ऑल द क्लिप्स हैव नॉट रियली गुड ऑडियो क्वालिटी सो आई डिसाइडेड कि इस वाले व्लॉग में वॉइस ओवर करना बेटर है. सो आई होप यू गाइज लाइक दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ अ फॉर्मेट. तो या फॉर दिस कॉन्फ्रेंस वी हैड टू गो टू निज़ामाबाद जो 3.5 घंटे दूर है एंड वी हैड टू रीच द हॉस्पिटल शार्प एट 6 AM. तो मैंने ऑटो बुलाया, मैं 6 बजे पहुंची, ऑल ऑफ अस वर रेडी एंड हमारे लिए ये बस बुक करी थी. सो जैसे ही बस का जर्नी स्टार्ट हुआ ऑल ऑफ अस फेल्ट स्लीपी, हम सो गए. And yeah, we were pretty excited. It was a conference on high risk obstetrics, and the reason that we were going to go is that we were going to perform a drill on eclampsia, which is an obstetric emergency. So yeah, we were all pretty excited for the journey ahead. But before we reach Nizamabad, let's get to skincare. One thing I hate about it is that it takes ages to show results. Having an extremely hectic schedule makes it worse because on most days I do not even have enough time to keep checking minute changes or browsing for new products which will actually make a difference. But recently I found a super cool hack which has shown results like visibly radiant skin in just 7 days for about 93% consumers. I'm not kidding. I'm talking about the 15% vitamin C brightening ampule kit. Are you thinking I'm talking about just another vitamin C serum? Then hold on, because this one's not just a serum. It's a supercharged serum with the most effective form of vitamin C, which is L-ascorbic acid. Hence, magical results in 1 week. It does not oxidize and stays effective for a longer time. Let me show you how to use this. Twist and pull the bottom, then push it upwards. Shake it well and wait for 2 quick minutes. Attach this applicator and simply squeeze and evenly apply on your face and neck. Do not forget to use the ampules in 2 doses every alternate day. Also, the Damaco has empowered 20,000 plus students this year with their Young Scientists initiative. Every time you buy from them, they will link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi Foundation. You can use my coupon code RUJUTA2025 for a 20% discount on the Damaco website, and these products are also available on Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa, Purple. The links are added in the description box. Now, coming back to the conference. Poonam ma'am, क्या है आपका लाइन?
Okay, Bushra. We need to prepare her for cesarean.
हाँ
Please inform OT and anesthesiologist pediatrician.
हाँ.
Also counsel the relative regarding skin. She is active part of eclampsia and we need to really hurry up. So if you want me to do more,
Yeah, that's correct. So as soon as we reached the conference, सब चालू हो गया था. The lectures had already begun. Everyone had some really insightful things to tell regarding high risk obstetrics. So हमने बहुत कुछ नया सीखा, बट बीच में से ही हम लोग बाहर निकल गए बिकॉज हमें प्रैक्टिस करनी थी ड्रिल की. लिटरली सब कुछ एक रात पहले लास्ट मिनट पे हुआ था. इवन दो हमें पता था कि हमें ये चीज़ करनी है 26 को, बट फिर भी हमने अस बीइंग अस सब लास्ट मोमेंट तक रखा था. तो या वी वेंट आउट टू डू सम प्रैक्टिस.
हम लोग बाहर आए हैं ड्रिल प्रैक्टिस करने और हमारा कुछ स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट कुछ फाइनल नहीं है, लेकिन we'll see how it goes.
बुशरा मैम सीनियर रेसिडेंट, पूनम मैम कंसल्टेंट, कृतिका जूनियर रेसिडेंट.
Dr. Krutika receives a call from the ER saying that a pregnant lady has come to the ER with complaints of severe headache, and on reaching the ER, she develops a seizure on the stretcher itself. And here is what follows.
It was a really, well, I can say a smooth drill because even we were shocked to see Neerja ma'am do the convulsions with so much dedication because हमने प्रैक्टिस करते वक्त तो मैम इतना ज़्यादा कर नहीं रहे थे, बट ऑन स्टेज शी रॉक्ड इट. एंड या वी स्टार्टेड आवर जर्नी बैक एंड इट वाज अ वंडरफुल वाइब. हम लोगों ने दमशराज खेला एंड सो गए बिकॉज इट वाज अ लॉन्ग जर्नी बैक. मुझे ड्यूटी भी थी. Hi everyone, so I have come back from my night duty which was immediately after the conference and it was a really wonderful time. मतलब निज़ामाबाद में हमने बहुत ज़्यादा enjoy किया. We had some really amazing lectures on fetal medicine and high risk obstetrics. We had an amazing workshop by our HOD Tripura ma'am, and I've come back and I am checking papers. So I'll finish this off and after this I'll have my dinner. and after dinner I'll just sleep off. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to hit that मैं ये सब भूल गई हूँ यार बोलना. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel, and tell me in the comments if you're enjoying this. I'm trying to be as regular as possible. So yeah, I hope to see you guys soon in the next video.